Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you are a business professional, an entrepreneur, a remote worker, or just someone who refuses to compromise on quality when it comes to your daily tech, you have clicked on the exact right video today. We are taking a deep dive into what is arguably the absolute undisputed king of business laptops on the market right now, the Lenovo Gen 13 ThinkPad X1 Carbon. Now, I know that is a massive claim to make, but wait until you hear the specifications on this incredible machine. We are talking about the brand new Intel Ultra 7255U processor, a massive 32 gigabytes of blazing fast DDR5 RAM, and a stunning 14-inch touchscreen display, all packed into a chassis that is impossibly thin and light. Whether you're crunching massive datasets on a long-haul flight, presenting to clients in a brightly lit boardroom, or running heavy multitasking workloads from your home office, this laptop is engineered to handle it all without breaking a sweat. I'm going to break down every single detail, from its ultra-portable design down to its battery life. And listen, if at any point in this video you decide that the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 is exactly the upgrade your workflow needs, I have placed a special direct Amazon link right at the top of the description below. Clicking that link guarantees you get the best current price, the fastest shipping, and it really helps support the channel so we can keep bringing you these deep dive reviews. So let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Let's kick things off by talking about the design, the build quality, and the portability. Because honestly, this is where the ThinkPad X1 Carbon legacy has always shined the brightest. Finished in that iconic, professional, and stealthy matte black, this Gen 13 model screams executive luxury. It commands respect without being flashy. But what will really blow your mind the second you unbox it is the weight. Guys, I need you to think about your current laptop for a second. How heavy is it? Because this ThinkPad weighs an astonishing 2.1 pounds. Think about that. 2.1 pounds. It is so unbelievably light that when you slide it into your backpack or your briefcase, you will literally have to double-check to make sure you didn't forget it. It is the true dictionary definition of an ultra-portable form factor. In terms of its actual physical dimensions, it measures exactly 12.31 inches long, 8.45 inches wide, and an incredibly thin 0.59 inches thick. It is razor thin. Lenovo achieved this by utilizing ultra-thin screen bezels that maximize your viewing real estate while keeping the overall footprint incredibly compact. You are getting a 14-inch screen in a body that feels closer to a 13-inch traditional laptop. And of course, we cannot talk about a Lenovo without talking about the keyboard. It wouldn't be a true ThinkPad without that legendary, industry-leading typing experience. It features a beautifully tactile, spill-resistant backlit keyboard. That means whether you're working late at night in a dimly lit hotel room, on a red-eye flight with the cabin lights off, or just prefer a darker office environment, you can type with absolute precision. Lenovo has somehow managed to retain that deep, satisfying key travel that writers, developers, and data analysts absolutely swear by, even in a chassis this remarkably thin. It is built strictly for high-end business use, and every single keystroke feels incredibly premium. Now, let's move up and talk about what you'll be staring at all day long: the display. You're getting a gorgeous 14-inch capsative touchscreen. Being able to just reach out and tap, swipe through web pages, or pinch to zoom on a PDF adds a whole new layer of intuitive smartphone-like interfacing, like productivity to your daily workflow. The panel itself is a WUXGA display. For those who aren't familiar with that acronym, it means it has a native maximum resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels. Notice that it's not your standard 1080p. It gives you a 16 by 10 aspect ratio. That extra vertical space is an absolute game changer. It means less scrolling and more content on your screen at once, which is vital when you are reading long documents or writing lines of code. Furthermore, this IPS display technology is packed with premium visual features. It boasts a 100% sRGB color gamut. What does that mean for you in the real world? It means the colors are incredibly accurate, vibrant, and true to life. If your business involves reviewing marketing materials, light photo editing, or you just want your movies to look amazing after work, this screen delivers. It also reaches a maximum brightness of 400 nits. Combined with a highly effective anti-glare coating, you can confidently take this laptop outdoors, to a cafe patio, or sit next to a bright, sunlit office window, and you will not have to squint to see your screen. And despite all of these high-end features, it operates at a smooth 60 Hz while utilizing a low-power panel design, meaning it is highly optimized to save your battery life. Alright, it is time to look under the hood, because this ultra-portable laptop is an absolute performance beast. The Gen 13 X1 Carbon is powered by the incredibly advanced Intel Ultra 7 255U processor. This isn't just an ordinary run-of-the-mill chip. The new Intel Ultra series represents a massive leap forward in processing architecture, designed specifically to balance extreme computational power with intelligent energy efficiency. It handles heavy, demanding workloads with absolute ease. But, as we all know, a great processor needs great memory to prevent bottlenecks, and Lenovo did not hold anything back here. This specific configuration comes loaded with a staggering 32 GB of lightning-fast shared DDR5 RAM. If you are the type of power user who leaves 50 Google Chrome tabs open while simultaneously running video conferences, heavy Excel macros, Spotify, and a dozen background applications, this laptop will not stagger. It will not freeze up on you. It simply flies through multitasking like it's nothing. The storage situation is equally as impressive. You get a massive 1 TB NVMe performance solid-state drive. That is an enormous vault of space for all of your heavy software applications, high-resolution media files, and years' worth of business documents. Not to mention, NVMe technology offers boot-up times and file transfer speeds that happen in the absolute blink of an eye. Keep in mind, there is no clunky old optical drive here, just pure, silent, blazing fast solid-state storage. Handling the graphics, we have the integrated Intel graphics coprocessor. While I want to be clear that this isn't a hardcore, dedicated gaming rig, this integrated video processor is incredibly capable. It is more than powerful enough for rendering 4K video playback, doing some light video and photo editing, and effortlessly driving multiple high-resolution external monitors for your ultimate desk setup. Speaking of desk setups, let's talk about connectivity and ports. With most ultra-thin laptops these days, companies force you to buy a bunch of expensive dongles just to plug in a basic flash drive. Not the ThinkPad X1 Carbon. This machine gives you an incredible array of hardware interfaces. You are getting a total of 4 USB ports, which includes 2 ultra-fast Thunderbolt 4 ports and USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports. You also get a dedicated full-sized HDMI video output. This makes it instantly compatible with external displays, mice, keyboards, storage devices, printers, and any other accessories you rely on. On the wireless side, it rocks the latest Bluetooth 5 and Wi-Fi capabilities for flawless, uninterrupted wireless connections. For security and communication, Lenovo takes your privacy very seriously. You get advanced biometric security features, starting with a lightning-fast fingerprint recognition scanner. You also get a top-of-the-line FHD plus IR plus RGB front-facing camera. Not only does this high-resolution camera make you look crystal clear and professional on your Zoom or Microsoft Teams calls, but the infrared sensor allows for highly secure Windows Hello facial recognition. Your laptop recognizes you and unlocks the moment you sit down in front of it. And for audio, business definitely doesn't mean boring. You get dual 2-watt stereo speakers fine-tuned with Dolby Atmos technology, providing rich, room-filling sound, alongside a standard headphone and microphone combo jack for your wired audio gear. Finally, tying the whole hardware package together is the software and the battery. It comes pre-installed with the Windows 11 Pro operating system. For business users, this is absolutely crucial. Windows 11 Professional includes automatic backup software, advanced network domain joining capabilities, and enhanced enterprise-level security features that you simply do not get with standard home editions. You are ready for high-level work right out of the box. And powering this entire system is a robust 57 watt-hour lithium-ion battery. Because you have that highly efficient Intel Ultra 7 processor and the specialized low-power display, this battery is engineered to get you through a full heavy workday on a single charge. You can confidently drop it in your bag and leave the 12-volt charger at home. To wrap it all up, the Lenovo Gen 13 ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 is nothing short of a masterclass in modern laptop engineering. It perfectly balances a feather-light 2.1-pound ultra-portable design with absolute heavyweight performance. Between the cutting-edge Intel Ultra 7 chip, the massive 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM, that gorgeous 100% sRGB touchscreen, and the unmatched ThinkPad typing experience, this is the ultimate productivity tool for any serious professional. Plus, it comes backed by a Lenovo 1-year limited warranty for total peace of mind. If you are ready to elevate your work game and you want to pick up the ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 for yourself, please make sure you click that Amazon link in the description below. Checking out through that link ensures you get the exact high-end configuration we talked about today with the best pricing available. If you found this review helpful, please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech deep dives. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this ThinkPad, and I will make sure to answer them. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.